It's tough. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This morning has been probably the biggest nap struggle bus I've ever encountered. I'm trying to not let it get to me. We live another mom fight, but today I want to tackle reorganizing the nursery. And yes, Arrow is only 4 months old, but 4 months is like 4 years in baby mom life. I feel like I've learned so much, but I definitely now have a better idea how I want to do her drawers, and I need to just empty out the clothing that doesn't fit her anymore because she is growing so fast. I am also very happy to announce that today's video is sponsored with Huggies Rewards Plus powered by Fetch. It is a super cool way to get rewarded on the diaper purchases we're already making, but I will get to that in a second. First, let me take you into what the nursery is looking like now. It definitely isn't as bad as it could be, but I feel like it does look different from the last time I did a tour. The main thing I'm looking to redo is the drawers. Like, I had a whole drawer dedicated to diapers, and while I use them all the time, it was kind of a waste of space on the daily. And then, of course, clearing out those old sizes. I love watching these clean with me, organize with me videos. I've never made one myself, but I always find them inspiring. So if you need to tackle your bedroom, your bathroom, your baby's nursery, I hope this inspires everyone to get up and do it. The first stop of this makeover is going to have to be a Target run. I picked up some stuff from Amazon earlier this week because I'm getting a little bit overwhelmed looking at everything that needs to be done. But I know once things are organized, I'm going to feel so much better. So we're just gonna do it. And if you need to do this to your nursery or your bedroom, I'm giving you good vibes. You totally got this. Let's see, what else do we need? Anything down here? Little drawer organizers. Ah, we usually get that. I need your help. Here's the damage. Definitely got more than I thought we were gonna get. Now that we're home, we can scan our rewards on Fetch. It's super easy to claim your rewards from like Target, Walmart, and even online. So what you're gonna do to start is download the Fetch Rewards app, and you can do this with an iPhone at the App Store or the Google Play Store. Just search for Fetch Rewards and download, and then once you have the app, it's super simple to get rewards for your Amazon purchases and any purchases that go through your email. So you just connect those by pressing the E. I feel like it takes less than a minute, and then you can also scan your receipts that you buy in store. So the Target one that we did today is super easy. You just scan it and gain your points. And I've been using this on everyday life, like when I go, oh! Okay. Like if I see that I am low on my Huggies diapers, I went right over to Amazon. I ordered my Huggies. Then I went over to my Fetch Rewards. I clicked that little E button and I automatically got my Huggies reward straight to my account. As you can see, I got some bonus points here. It honestly couldn't be any easier, and you're getting rewards for money you're already spending on diapers that you use quite often with the baby. Once you do get enough points, it is really easy to claim rewards to places like Amazon, which I obviously shop at all the time, but also Ulta, CVS, Marshalls, Nike, Nordstrom, Pottery Barn. Like literally there is a huge list of places you can claim your rewards. I picked Amazon, and now I have $3 to use at Amazon whenever I want. And all I really had to do was buy diapers and press a button. This is legit the only way Arrow wants to be right now. So I'm gonna try to pull everything out of these drawers and see what we need to store and what we need to reorganize. Cue montage now. Is to store and one box filled with stuff to reorganize. rug. We got a new rug. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, 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 clap. Wow. Boo. Okay, ready? And boo. And boo. Look, look. Mommy put together a little treasure box for you. We have Daddy's 80s right here, Nikes. Look, these are Daddy's shoes. This is like, you don't like it? You don't like it? You don't like vintage? Vintage is so cool. Mommy's never gonna finish this, is she? Oh, come here. And it is the next day. I finally finished organizing everything, so I thought I would walk you through what I did, what it looks like, why I did what I did. And Arrow's supposed to be napping right now. We're working through the sleep together, guys. It's tough. Obviously, nothing decor-wise really changed. So if you want to know where everything is from, I'll link my nursery tour down below because I walk you through and mention everything. The one thing that I did get is new bookends from Target, so I'll just show you those. These pineapple little bookends were the one thing I did get. They're from Target. I used to use a set of crystals that aren't actually bookends, but the books would always fall over, so I needed legit ones. Highly recommend those. Super cute, but let's get into the drawers. The one thing I really wanted to change in these drawers was not have this completely dedicated to diapers. When she was a newborn and she was going through a ton, like 15 a day, then yes, this was kind of helpful. But even this is more than enough to have on hand. All her diaper stuff are in these little trays, also from Target. Literally everything's gonna be from Target or Amazon. This right here is gonna be stuff we use every day. This is kind of extra stuff or bath stuff. I have some teething toys and extra pacifiers that we haven't gotten to yet. This is the little medical drawer I have right here. It just has like nail files, nail clippers, some Frida baby stuff, thermometer, Vicks. And having all this stuff in one place is nice because then when I do diaper changes, everything's right here. This looks clean. When I give her a bath, I use all this stuff. The other big thing with a newborn or a baby is they grow so much. So everything pretty much I had to replace in here. Now that she's 4 months, she's in like a total new clothing category. And the way I like to do it is I lay out her sleepers or her pajamas right here. This is definitely like the most used section just because we're like always home. And then over here I have like her 2-piece sets, all matching, because when my husband dresses her, if they weren't like this, who knows what she would look like. And then these are short sleeve bodysuits, and then I have shorts and pants right back here. These inserts I'm obsessed with. They're shorter inserts, so they're good for short drawers because the top drawers here are actually shorter than the 2 bottom ones. These are from either Amazon or Walmart. I'll make sure to link everything in the video description so you have them. This is definitely like our go-to stuff because we rarely leave the house. But if we do leave the house or we take a photo, these are like her outfits. So she has some sweatshirts here because it's more fall stuff. She has some 2-piece sets. All of her clothes are like comfy clothes. She doesn't have like any fancy dresses or anything, not really my vibe. So over here, we actually just have bibs, burp cloths, and then a swaddle. And that's really all of the clothes she's fitting into right now. So the stuff we have down here is actually, I think 9 to 12 months, or really like the next size up. I do have a shopping problem, but I tried to be responsible by like not buying a bunch of stuff she's gonna grow out of immediately. So this is next size up. And then over here, my shopping problem continues. This is like next size up. Like this is size 2 toddler. But my husband loves Jurassic Park, so I got that. If you're wondering, that's from Cotton On. Same with the Metallica t-shirt. Another drawer I totally undid. I used to have a bunch of like swaddles in here, but I ended up like never using swaddles. So I have jackets currently wearing, I have some toys and some booties, I have some like winter hats, and then this is just socks and shoes. Honestly, we barely use stuff from this drawer. We're getting an upset baby, so we gotta wrap up, guys. Can we also take a moment to appreciate the new rug. It makes such a difference. I'm gonna get the other one cleaned and then just rotate them so we always have a clean white rug. It definitely is a difficult thing to keep clean in a nursery, especially when the bathroom's right here and it's the walking path. I also updated the lactation station. I used to have a bunch of snacks in here. I found that not super necessary, so I just have my breast pads. I am wearing them and not wearing the catch that I have back there, and I also just have some like mommy vitamins and a nursing bra, so still some kind of like pumping lactation essentials. I also want to note that this is a birthmark. I feel like every time I show the back of Arrow's head, someone's like, oh my god, is that a rash? What's happening? No, it is called a stork bite, or at least that's what the doctors called it. It's pretty much a birthmark that is most likely temporary. If it's not temporary, then it's not a stork bite, but you don't really know until later in life. I never knew what it was until I had Arrow, so I thought I would share. And I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you learned something or found it entertaining. And if you are not yet part of the Huggies community and earning rewards on money you're already spending on essentials like diapers and wipes, then definitely check out the link in the description to download Fetch today. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye!
And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side.